Yet again, another niche Emirati fragrance from Lattafa. And today this one is called Zikra, Z-I-K-R-A. And this is also sent to me by the guys from Luxurious Perfumes. And I can promise you guys, as you can see through all the videos that I've made so far and the reviews I've done, Luxurious Perfumes, they supply all the fragrances that I do review. And you can see all these new 2025 fragrances. They've got everything that you need, everything that you want. Just give them a call. I'll put the details down. Give them a call, send them a WhatsApp for a price list or for information that you need on specific perfumes. They will be glad to assist and to help you. Guys, I've got something special. I think I've seen the notes on this. I will give it through now, but I want to smell it first. I have not smelled it as intensely as I'm going to now. And I think I've got an idea what this smells like. Okay, so let's check. Oh, wow, that is boozy. Guys, that is just boozy. You must be an alcoholic or to use it. I'm just joking. Guys, that's cognac, but the main star is the cinnamon. Oh, wow, this is a beautiful fragrance. This is so nice. I must be honest, this is a unisex fragrance. This is for men and ladies, definitely. This is a cognac smell, very cinnamony. Guys, this is beautiful. If you love cinnamon, you need this fragrance. This is, wow, this is beautiful. It tones down in a nice praline vanilla. But I'm going to be honest with you, I've smelt, not this, but I've smelt what this is inspired by. This is inspired by Kilian's Angel Share. That is just a must. Wow, guys, this is stunning. This is one beautiful bottle of fragrance. I am so impressed. It just smells so damn nice. Guys, the cinnamon and the cognac. Oh, wow, that's nice. Oh, wow, that's stunning. Sorry, I can't stop smelling this. This is nice. I am impressed, guys. I am so impressed. Zikra, niche Emirati by Lattafa. Hurry up and get this, guys. Hurry up and get this while stock lasts at Luxurious Perfumes. Put the details at the bottom for you again. This is a stunning fragrance. Do not miss this one. This is beautiful. I must be honest with you, I am impressed. I am impressed with a lot of fragrances, but this has taken my nose by storm. This is nice. Guys, give him a call today. Get yourself Zikra, the niche Emirati fragrance by Lattafa. This is absolutely